Hi guys, I'm Madeline Harvey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We're going to talk about stabilizing your voice, strengthening your voice through pressure. So to really understand the role that pressure plays in our singing life, let's think about the things that irritate us the most about our voice. There are 3 reasons why the voice breaks. Number 1, there's an interior weakness at the area of the vocal cord. So the balance is a little askew. Number 2, there's something really off in the pressure in our resonator. It's either too much or too little. And number 3, sometimes the voice just breaks out of habit. So what we want to do today is we're going to learn how to effectively close our cords quickly, utilizing only pressure to get rid of all 3 of those things and to stabilize and strengthen our voice. So here's what we're going to do. Can you offer up an H sound for me, like an H-A, like ha, 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 ha. Good. Now, can you notice that you offer the air pressure and then the cords close? Let's feel that. Ha, 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 ha. Yes, absolutely. You can't close your cords without adding some kind of, or offering some kind of air pressure. So let's keep that in mind, okay? We're going to want to isolate the cricothyroid muscle. It's the muscle that closes the vocal cords. And not only closes them, it creates a seal. So again, let's feel this. We're going to hold our breath just for a few seconds. And as we hold our breath, let's add a little vocalization to it so we can really hear and feel that closure due to pressure. So we're going to go. Good. Can you feel that? Right. That air pressure is offered and that cricothyroid muscle like swings into action and creates that seal, and it completely closes because no air be getting out. So what we want to do is we want to teach the voice how to do the same thing when we sing. Oftentimes that muscle gets a little lazy. Just like a muscle you'd work at the gym, it gets a little lazy and it doesn't create that seal. And then we feel like we're losing our breath, or our sound is too breathy. And then we try to overcorrect by squeezing. So we don't want to do either one of those. We want to come right down that middle and feel that we can close the cords using only the pressure. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start in the middle of the range, right at G. And we're probably going to do a ha on G 8 to 10 times. It doesn't matter if you hit the pitch, and it doesn't matter if it's a pretty note. I just want you to feel that when you offer the H, you can close your cords. Ha, 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 ha. Just like that. But I do not want you to go, ah, ah, ah. That's too much muscle. And it's okay if you go, ha, 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 because you're on the right track. You're on the right track with that. But we want to go, ha, 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 ha. You see how you can dial it in, just like you're tuning an instrument. You can dial in what that pressure and that closure actually feel like. Don't get too distracted. It's a very simple, elegant exercise, but it's not easy, but it is simple. So let's try it together. Ha, 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 ha. Good. Ha, 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 ha. Yeah, feel that? Ha, 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 ha. Not too tight. Yeah. You see right there, this is the reason why we're doing this intonation over and over, because you saw lots of different variations of what my voice was trying to do until it just settled into it. Good. 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 Very good. Very good. Let's keep going. Yes. Yes. Now this is head voice for so many different reasons, but we want to default towards the head voice because the head voice is the register that really manages pressure really effectively. Let's keep going. Good. Now, I know I'm talking a little bit, but I really want you to think you're not chasing a sound quality. You're not. You are just staying focused on the sensation of offering the H and the chords closing. So it doesn't matter how good this sounds right now. You're trying to get the timing of offering the air and closing the chord. Offering the air and closing the chord. If you have to slow it down, I'm all for that as well. What I don't want you to do is, don't want you to chase that with your mind. Just want you to feel, what does that touch, that quick adduction, what does the balance of that feel like? So let's go back down for a couple. Use the H. Good. Yes. That got stronger. That got stronger. That note right there got stronger. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Very good. So I want to encourage you, keep it short, not, what do I want you to think? For my musical friends that know the musical terms, I don't want you to necessarily think staccato, which means short and choppy, which is kind of what we are doing. I want you to think more allegretto, like lively. Like a bounce, The reason I don't want you to think staccato is I don't want you to go, I don't want you to over squeeze. This is more about the offering of the pressure and the closure of the chord, the timing of that. Get that timing. I want to leave you with a visual that this exercise does. Imagine you got flabby thighs, right? You got thighs that we haven't really worked out so much, but we go to the gym and there's that hip adductor machine where we take our knees and we pull them closer together, right? That's what we're working. That's exactly what we're working. The better we get, the stronger that we get at this, the more weight we can start to add. But you will not have to manage, you don't have to worry about that. Your vocal cords will start compressing and start adding that weight because your voice knows what you want to do with it. I just want to give you the touch to stay balanced as you do. Just keep thinking about the H sound and the closure of that chord, okay? If you like today's video, then you will love joining me for lives. So we do these lives every Monday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. They're full hour voice lessons for you to enjoy twice a week. Just join, become a member by clicking the join button below. It's only $4.99 a month, and your contribution helps to support our channel. That way we can continue to deliver awesome content for you. So again, if you liked today's video and are interested in becoming a member, just click that join button below. It's only $4.99 a month. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.